Alright, this one's for the Navara owners. If you're ever trying to replace this Parker globe here, this is the driver's side. Can be a little bit tricky, but never fear. So one, which is in the corner, 1 bolt, 2 bolt, and 1 down here. Now the whole grill and assembly doesn't have to come out because you're just going to pop this corner out. So what I do is I just grab that like that, and I just get enough room in the corner just until you can see the Parker globe there. I twist, pull that out, and change the globe, and like that back in. Obviously assembly is reverse of removal, so that's just got a little little rubber nip that it kind of clicks into, and then just replace all 3. I believe they are 12, or could be wrong. Replace all 3 bolts and you're done. And it's the same for the other side anyway. Just